This is a 2006 BMW 325xi, and I'm going to show you how I replaced the gasket for the oil filter housing, which is right there. So I'm removing these 2 bolts, millimetric, and these screws, there's 2, there are Torx T20. Okay, so now I'm losing this electric connector right here, and also the screw for the clamp right there. Okay, so now removing all this. Okay, the oil cap, remove that. Okay, so with this long nose plier, I'm able to remove this clip, and so this connection right here. Okay, I'm removing this clip with the screwdriver. Okay, I drained the coolant already, so I'm able to pull this hose like that. Okay, so there's 3 bolts to remove this oil filter housing, the one here, and the one up there, which I'm using a Torx E10 for that. So once I do this, I should be able to remove it. Okay, so here it is, and here are the gasket that we need to replace now. Okay, so basically, so here are the bolts. Basically, that I was telling you. So there's one, there's the other one right there, and the other one here. So it's right there, basically. Got 1, 2, and 3 bolts. So basically, once you got everything ready, everything clean, all the surface clean, the same thing over there, and get your gasket, your new gaskets, and just basically assemble everything back.